Hello, good people. How are you? Today, I want to look at inequalities on a graph. So we have these signs. This one is greater than, and this one is less than. In B, you draw a broken line. That's a broken line. Then we have greater than or equal to, then less than or equal to. In B, you draw a bold line. That's a continuous line. And you should always note that on inequalities, you always shade the unwanted region. If they say greater than, you shade the lesser part. Okay, so we have a line, this line here, this oblique line. This part here is greater, this part here is lesser, this part here is greater, this part here is lesser. Then on this part is greater, this part is lesser. On this side is greater, this side is what? Is lesser. Okay, so let's present these inequalities on a graph. Let's say you are given y is greater than or equal to 4. Then you have x less than minus 3. Okay, so you have what we call a Cartesian plane here. That's our Cartesian plane. X and y axis. Okay, 0, 2, 4, 6, minus 2, minus 4, minus 6, 1, 2 and 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then negative 1, negative 2. Okay, so y is greater than or equal to 4. Like I said earlier on, when you see these two lines, you're going to draw a bold line. So y is equals to 4 is on this line. So let's draw a bold line which cuts y at 4. So the saying says that y is greater than. So this side is greater. Remember what I said earlier on inequalities, you always shade the unwanted region. So this part is greater. So we are going to shade the lesser party. We're going to shade the lesser party. On inequalities, no shade the unwanted region. We're going to greater than, you know, shade less than. We're going to less than, no shade greater than. Okay, let's go to another one. Minus what? Minus 3 is here. So we're going to draw a what? A broken line. A broken line. So x is less than. This side is less. So we're going to shade the greater part. Shade isusu uri greater than. Less than. So we are doing the opposite. So this is x is less than minus 3. So on inequalities, you always shade the unwanted region.